Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix black and white grayscale screen problem on iPhone. In the first step, open settings, then just scroll down and open accessibility, then open zoom, scroll down and open zoom filter, select none, go back. Also you can just turn off zoom feature. They go back the settings, again go to accessibility, then open display and text size. Now just scroll down. Now tap on color filters and you have to just turn off these color filters feature, and here we go. That's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.